Welcome to the TheDuttyBerryShow's coverage of Sting 2022. Box cover Duttyberry here, Sting 2022 with none other than one of the fine nine, Dovey Magnum. How you feeling, Sting 2022?
I'm feeling horny.
Are you feeling, oh God, what do you mean? Like you feel like a little something that slide down the corners of your leg?
No, my clit just jumping at the moment.
Okay, okay. I think it's because I'm here. It's understandable.
Yeah,
you get me?
that too.
All right, Dovey, like, talk about the year that you had, 2022. Would you say that it was a good one or,
Honestly, me learn for pray different and talk different now.
Yeah.
Me gotta say, it did kind of have the ups and downs, the bumps and bruises, but me give thanks. It was a great year because I'm alive. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm a Sting, I'm a go in 2023 with the grace of God. So all I can say is, to my fans, I wish I put in more work because I wanted to give them more stuff. It didn't happen. So I apologize to my fans about that. But I must say, I'm blessed and I made it through the year.
Yeah, I like hearing Dovey, but one of my things is like, I feel like I need to give you some more visuals, Dovey. Like
Thank
just
you.
more. Like
Thank
that's
you.
like, we can't get that for 2023.
Definitely, that's one of my biggest thing that I told myself. I am not voicing for any producer.
Oh, somebody.
That's not helping to put visuals behind their song. Now, the reason to my fans and the world why you guys don't see much visuals from Dovey Magnum, I'm an independent artist, right there. Me can't pay my rent and do everything I take care of my family and still take care of music. When the producer them only expect you to do the songs, and when they post it on your Instagram and you tag them, then repost it, they think that is something. No, they want to spend the money to do what they want for the day type of artist and the man them.
Yeah.
But when it come on to we as females, it's so hard. We ask them for help with a wig or help with an outfit. This, that. They're not doing it. So what you think happened? The song just be there without the visual because I can't foot the bill. And I'm not gonna foot a producer bill that don't put no work in their thing. Sometimes they don't even give you press. Even all right, I have video out there that I use my money and do the video.
Yeah.
And the producer and I do nothing with it and video still out there and song bad and all of that.
Wow.
You understand me? And out there, nothing them to do with it. Then when you ask them like, yo, do something with it, it becomes a problem. Arguments start me and them block me and this, that, and it goes on.
That's how they do. And them some able to know the dancehall. This is why some people want for us give it a break.
That's what they do. It's like they drain your energy so much and take it away from what you really love. And it's very hurtful because at the end of the day, what for understand say, una fight we out and them a fight out reggae, dancehall itself, and I put in Afro. When them kick we out, there's no more dancehall. So if we are fight to own ourselves and fight the female artists them, especially we are bring the sex and the different things to it.
Cause you're dancehall, like you give me like a real raw dancehall.
I will have to stand up and represent because how much dancehall woman we used to represent, not in the game no more, and how much as we as youngin come in and represent for dancehall. You don't have much female I represent for the dancehall. Everybody want to be when nothing is wrong with that because everybody have their own different lane. But
that's
also,
not,
right, dancehall. Dovey me very versatile, I want you to know that.
So, so speaking of that, now the versatility there, we're going to get more of that in 2023.
Definitely.
Because I know the people them love you like a racha when you talk about the good things. I'm your vagina can.
But I gave them some of the good things and different things, and they don't want that. Them want to hear about the things. So because
we the fans them say we love the little carelessness and stuff.
Some of them forget. Me a cuss because guess what? When me give on certain stuff, then you see some of them. When I drop one song,
look on them and talk to them, man.
I always this I sing about. I was say, alright. So when I sing about other this independent woman, nice and
them don't want to hear it.
They don't want to hear it.
Yeah.
And then when I go sing folk songs, them beat me and then they have some say, Dovey, make them go sing it. You know what I mean?
So hold on, speaking of Riri, like what was your reaction when Nikki reached out to you and like how has the response been? Because based on what I hear on social media is that people have your verse as one of the probably like the top three when I hear like people say them really like.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And I'm happy for no say I was picked by Nicki Minaj. I never know link.
A big deal.
I never know this, I never know that. It's my talent get me there because she love my song Archive and she just love me being me in terms of the female just doing what it is what we need for do. You understand?
When you talk about like the sexual lyrics them like why because when I listen to the songs it feel like one trance or like remember something. So walk me through it. You're in the studio. you're there, like, what is it? Are you like a touch yourself and put a little lotion and then you reminisce and you think about oh you cock up on the fridge top and them something there?
Whoa, shit. I'm going to tell them what I do.
No, I'm actually want to hear.
Alright. I'm not going to tell them everything I do. It depends, like, if I catch a certain sound and if I feel it.
Yeah.
When my advice, I'm just stand up stiff and rock or you know, sometimes my view and my guide on me.
Okay.
Sing with my attitude. So I try to incorporate myself in my voice and just like when I'm performing.
Dovey, when you do the things, you would play your own song?
You know, say, me never have sex for my song. I say it all the time. Because me just feel a way for me to sing about me and now me and
then you hear.
Yeah.
So like supposed to do on like one playlist and then your song come on, you have to go pause it and then change it.
Yeah, time I you must move that a little bit.
Okay, so now before I go to more, you play one game called When Last. You ready? Ready?
It depends.
Okay, ready. When last you cuss somebody?
Just a while ago.
When last you cry?
Not too long.
When last somebody make give you a really good laugh?
Just a while ago.
When last you lost something?
My last everything right away and right now. Me just last you right now come here get up left here right.
When last somebody beg you?
Them just beg. Them a beg ticket.
Oh Jesus Christ. When last your masha works?
Last night.
Last night. Alright, that is it in my interview with Dovey Magnum. Sting 2022. Go and check out our performance later. Big up yourself.
Can't hold me a ball out. At the Duttyberryshow, my pussy little and tiny. Yeah. Him and me, I squeeze up like China. Same one, some for join him. Yeah. Duttyberry alone can't sign me.
Don't know. Big up.
It's hard for you in the wall and then you have to go treat. It's even harder for you to accept defeat. Hard for your father when you have to go near the wheat and it's hard to punish more than when mama has to go weak. Hard for you to get a youth to make it about the streets of it's hard for you to get a girl to make it with all the creeps. Hard for your truth again, it's all about deceit. Hard for you win an argument without receipts. Hard for you know the fake one them from the genuine. Hard for your family not happy for you when you win. Hard for you but we no want no friend again. Hard for moving full speed. Hard for know the chop of them mash up with name on the ground. Hard to make no sense when them parts them a song. Hard for the spice and the search and the plan. Hardest way I should get. When it's hard to survive again and then wait for the snakes. Hard to miss the slice and have a copy. Hard to make it to case and hear when I won't be able to. Hard years be it. Never. Easy to see a camel go through the eyes of an eagle. It's hard to see the father facing from one study evil. Hard to be lose my focus and I follow my plan. Hard to miss them waste my time and listen to people. Hard to be a girl that we're behind the world we beat. Hard labor to easy stop a minds in 19. I see the man where every night the woman a cheat. I see the man every night time and a beat. I see the daddy don't